Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Personal Hotspot option if it's grayed out on your iPhone. If you can't enable your hotspot or share your mobile data, follow these simple troubleshooting steps. First, open the Settings app. Turn airplane mode on. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn airplane mode back off. This refreshes your cellular connection and reconnects your mobile network, which can often fix a grayed-out personal hotspot. Now check if the personal hotspot option is available. If it's still grayed out, let's move on to the next fix. Perform a force restart on your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it, even if you see the slide to power off screen. Release the button only when the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone restarts, unlock it and check if the personal hotspot option is working. If the issue still isn't fixed, the next solution is to reset your network settings. Open the Settings app again. Tap General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. Keep in mind that this will remove your saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, VPN settings, and other network preferences, but it won't delete your photos, apps, or personal files. After your iPhone restarts, reconnect to your Wi-Fi if needed, enable your mobile data, and check your personal hotspot again. In most cases, one of these three methods will fix the grayed-out personal hotspot issue. And that's it. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.